Right, so hopefully we can see this. How many eggs have we got here in 3 days? What's your face? Gotta move the broody girl. Ooh, darling. We've got 2 here. Put the egg carton in here. I guess that's good. 1, 2. Baby, you're gonna have to come off. Come on, darling. Oh, we got some eggs. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, there goes an egg. Okay, we've got 2, 3. We'll have a look at it first. We've got 2 here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 eggs. Matilda said 15. Wait, wait. There's sister. Hey, don't even think about it, mate. So, let's chuck these into the carton. Oops, sorry, baby. 13 eggs. Look at this big long sucker. Oh, that's a double yolker, eh, you reckon? Looks like a double yolker, that one. What do you reckon, Fave? See how they're pecking on the chipboard. What are you doing? That's not food, chooks. 13 eggs. That's a baker's dozen. 13 in 3 days. You've been dropping off the lay, girls. It has been a bit warm. Look at that beautiful egg, eh? Beautiful eggs. Oh no, 12, 14. 14 eggs. 14 eggs all up.